This video walks you through how to set up payment services in Xero. If you are already signed into Xero, begin by opening your organization settings. This is where the payment options for your invoices are managed. Once you are in settings, look under the sales section and select online payments. On the online payments page, click Start Setup. This opens the area where Xero lists the payment services that can be connected to your organization. Take a moment to review the available services shown on screen. The options may vary depending on your region or account setup, so it is worth checking what is currently available before you continue. If the provider you want is not already the one being presented, click Add Other. From there, select one of the available options, such as PayPal, Stripe, or a custom payment URL. After that, choose the specific payment service you want to connect to Xero. Once you have selected a provider, enter the account information requested for that service. The fields shown will depend on the provider you picked. For example, if you are setting up PayPal, you will enter an account name, your account email, and the payment account where incoming payments should be deposited. Make sure you choose the correct payment account before moving forward, since that is where Xero will record the money received. After entering the required details, configure any additional options that appear for the selected service. One common option is to have payment fees recorded automatically. If that setting is available and matches how you want transactions handled in Xero, select it before continuing. Other providers may display different connection settings, so review the screen carefully and complete only the fields that are presented. When everything on the setup page looks correct, click Save. In some cases, instead of saving directly in Xero, you may be taken through the provider's own connection process. If that happens, continue through the prompts until the connection is completed. You may need to approve access or confirm account details as part of that provider flow. After the setup finishes, return to the online payments page in Xero. Check the status of your payment service and confirm that it now shows as connected. This final check helps verify that the setup was completed successfully and that the provider is ready to be used with your organization. With the payment service connected, Xero can offer that option to customers when they pay eligible invoices online. That means customers will see the available online payment method when they open an invoice that supports online payment through your connected service. Thanks for watching. Your payment service is now connected in Xero and ready to be offered on eligible online invoices.